Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for tuning in for another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I spice up my natural hair with some temporary color. Just to let you guys know, I am not endorsing any products. There's so many temporary hair colors on the market. This I got over at Walmart, and yeah. So I have an elastic and a rat tail comb that I'm going to use to kind of part my hair. I'm going to have some bangs in the front, and so I section that off, and I'm just going to moisturize my hair before I put it into a puff. So I'm just going ahead here to do my puff, and I have just an elastic band to achieve this look. So one thing I really love about the color that I was using, that it was super moisturizing, and I just needed a little bit of it. So I'm going to go ahead and saturate that section with the color, concentrating on my edges, concentrating on my ends. It's so fast, and the color does not stain. I'm using a paper towel to simply wipe it, and as you can see, it's spotless. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will definitely see you in my next one.